Tension gripped Manipur's Ukhrul district on July 25 after 4 civilians were allegedly abducted by the Assam Rifles personnel while returning from their paddy fields, prompting protests and a blockade on National Highway 202. According to local sources, the incident occurred around 5 p.m. yesterday near the cement factory in Hongpung village when the 4 men were allegedly detained by Assam Rifles personnel without provocation. Following reports that the Assam Rifles convoy was heading towards Litan, a large number of villagers gathered at S. Laho and blocked National Highway 202, intercepting military vehicles and demanding the immediate release of the 4 civilians. The situation escalated after a confrontation between protesters and security personnel. According to local sources, Assam Rifles personnel fired tear gas shells to disperse the crowd, and later Yuimong Kafai Simre, age 28, Shongmi Shokchui, age 38, Hungray Thai Kasomba, age 37, and Kwirami KSV, age 36, were released by Assam Rifles, and the unrest situation returned to normalcy.